Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to go about to have a two-layer video. So this is not a split screen video. This is a two-layer video, and we're talking about two videos playing together at the same time with a faded in between, okay? And we're gonna be using the mask tool and the PIP tool. This is the VN Video Editor app. Make sure you have the latest update. Let's get started. We'll take it from the very beginning. We got new project here, and as you tap on that for the very first time, you're gonna see all the videos that you have that you can choose from, okay? You can use the drop-down menu up here to select that video you want. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these videos that I saved earlier on just for this tutorial here. So we'll start with the first one here, okay? And I'll press next now, and it's always good to have the two videos that you're going to layer the same video format, okay? So by that, what I mean is if this one here is a vertical video, the other one should be a vertical video format so that it can be easier to edit and adjust, all right? So other than that here now, once you have your first video now, you'll go to the PIP section here and add your second video. So this is a two-layer video, so this is gonna be quite simple. We'll go here now, and then we'll go ahead and add the second one here. Okay, and again, it's best to choose a matching color. That's gonna work best. I'm sorry, not a matching color, an opposite color to actually get an idea of the difference, okay? So when your second video appears like this here, when it's selected to the bottom here, move over to where it says fill, okay? This is gonna fill up the entire video frame. Notice how that happened here, okay? And the next step is now you can choose for either this one, which is the bottom one, or the top one. And once you select either one of them to the bottom, you're gonna look for the mask tool, okay? So you'll start from here, then you're gonna head over to the right and keep browsing until you see mask, okay? And once you reach here now, I would recommend using the linear one here. That's gonna create a line, and then you can adjust it and split the two together. So this is kind of just for like fun creating, but you can use this to your creativity level here. You'll see the line appear here. You can take your two fingers and rotate this line like that, okay? You can do it either way. It doesn't have to be how I have it. And this is just giving you an example of how you can layer two videos with the mask tool. Now, once you have that set up, you can pull on these tabs right here. That's gonna have it kind of like fade into each other. And you can set that to how much you want that to be. Press the check mark here. And of course you can go ahead and adjust the brightness and all that stuff for whatever it is here, the videos that you want to do that for here. So maybe I want this to be a little bit brighter. And then when I'm done now, you can see that the two will be playing together, but in a faded in between. Okay, so that's using the mask tool, okay? And this is just like an example of how this is going to work for you. And you can just get creative and do what you can do to make the best two-layer video possible, okay? Like and sub.